Introducing the officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Philip Season, international referee. Second referee, Mr. Jess Villarreal, national referee. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the starting lineup of Team Smart. Number 1, Captain Ruby De Leon. Number 3, Sue Roses. Number 5, Gretchen Soltones. Number 7, Maru Banaticla. Number 8, Charo Soriano. And number 11, Mika Guliman. Their libero, number 9, Melissa Gohing. Head coach for Team Smart, Mr. Roger Gorayev. And now, give it up for the starting lineup for the Far Eastern University Tamaraws. Number 2, Bernadette Pons. Number 8, Samantha Dawson. Number 9, Mary Palma. Number 13, Jerilyn Malabanan. Number 14, Charlene Nerio. And number 12, Captain Giselle C. Their libero, number 1, Christine Agno. Head coach, Mr. Shaq De Los Santos.
Mga kaibigan, pinakilala na po ang starting lineup ng magkabilang kupunan. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa San Juan Arena in San Juan City. Kasalukuyan, medyo may kalakasan yung ulan sa labas. Pero that does not stop the thousands of fans from coming dito sa ating venue para sa masaksihan po itong ating matchup between Smart and FEU. Ngayon itong FEU, napag-usapan natin kanina, parang wala na yata halos tayong kilala rito. It's a new team. A lot of, sabi nga ni Coach Chuck sa akin kanina, more than half are new players.
That's right. But you still have your... ang importante kasi, no, yan yung setter mo ay veterano.
Ayan.
And Giselle C. in the house for FEU pa rin, ano? And Agno, yung libero pa, isa pang importante yung posisyon, nariyan pa rin for FEU. You have Dawson, and
Malabanan,
Palma is still
nila,
there,
yes.
oh.
Remy Palma will be actually starting out sa harapan. So titignan natin ngayon as Giselle C. prepares to serve. 8 player lang ang nakalista rito for this game for Smart. At you can see Sue Roses on your screens right now. The only player who's not on the floor is Jem Ferrer. Setter din. So, if anything happens to any of the attackers dito, magiging attacker si Ruby De Leon.
Nakaya-kaya naman talaga, diba?
They only have one
Pwede.
spiker. Oh, isa lang yung utility spiker nila rito in Sue Roses. Melissa Going, of course, on your screens. The former lady spiker from Lasalle.
Wearing blue, ah!
Wearing blue. Nakapanibago nga naman. Well, Giselle C. will put it in play para dito sa kupunan ng FEU to get things started dito po sa ating match number 2 po dito sa ating open conference. Maru Banaticla, nasa lubungan kaagad na isang block. One more time around for Maru. Diretso agad sa open.
Nagkagad yung adjustment na ginawa ni Maru Banaticla. Nilagyan ng angulo yung pangalawang palo.
At nakikita natin dito, may mga signs pa nga yung mga fans dito. Miss you, Maru. Tagal-tagal na nila hindi nakikita ito. Ruby De Leon on the very sharp serve. Here's Giselle C. going to Nerio on the other side. Dug up there by De Leon. Here is Maru once again. Hi, Remy Palma.
Mag-isa. Tinukot ang bola at nakuha yung puntos na yun for FEU.
Yan ang hinihintay natin mag-develop talaga. Remy Palma as Malabanan is now in front para dito sa kupunan ng FEU. So Remy Palma to put it in play. Nice serve. Roses is there. Maru sa kabila naman umatake. Pinuto ni Remy pero wala sumuporta.
So medyo malayo doon yung depensa ng FEU. Likod na likod. So malaki yung butas doon sa gitna. Na mukhang ina-adjust si Agno. No? Sinasabi na niya doon sa teammates niya, mag-adjust sila.
Well, Charo Soriano is playing with a heavily bandaged right thumb. Titignan natin kung left thumb rather. Titignan natin if that's going to affect her play. As Maru Banaticla again.
Once again, mainit na mainit. Yung si Maru Banaticla.
Tinanong natin kanina kung naka-makeup siya. Meron na ng konti naman.
Ikaw talaga, yung mga tanong mo eh.
Ilang taon na yan eh. Ilang taon na natin napapansin. Si Maru, oy, okay yan. That's good for TV na may konting kang makeup
Talaga
for the game.
Hindi man ako yung nagtanong, ikaw eh.
Dati pa namin kantsawan yan. Dawson!
Dawson, blocked.
Well, turned back there by Sue Roses and the net. 4-1, maganda panimula para dito sa kupunan ng Smart. Coach Roger Gorayev is asking for yung ang daming madudulas na area dito sa ating court. Well, yun na nga eh. Sa ating...
Oo, gusto mo naman safe yung mga players natin. Yun ang ginagawa ni Coach Roger as Agno misses that receive.
Well, Rexona anti-first brand deodorant. It won't let you down. Maraming salamat sa mga kaibigan natin sa Rexona. Si Agno ginamit yung balikat pang receive. Hindi umandar yun. Charo Soriano once again. Former Ateneo captain and former Ateneo coach dito sa Shakey's V-League. And that's a good attack there coming from Nerio.
Well, itong si Nerio, sabi sa akin ni Coach Shaq, mukhang babalik rin sa Amerika.
Yan, ha?
Oo.
Well, titignan natin ating slow-mo replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. So, Nerio, galing Amerika.
Galing Amerika na gusto niya kunin na sana nga daw ay magustuhan na rito. Pero mukhang kulang pa ng another year na matatapusin daw yung pag-aaral sa Amerika.
Well, Maruban Atikla has scored 3 of the 6 points para dito sa kupunan na Smart dito po sa ating opening set. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Ngayon, si Maru nasa likuran na. Serving that which will bring Rachel Soltones to the front. The San Sebastian player, oy!
Miss
Hindi
you.
nagkaintindihan.
On the side of the FEU Lady Tams.
Malabanan, you can see it's about, what, 5'10", 5'11 na
Yan naman nagsiserve na residency yan.
Oo,
for
bata-bata
FEU.
pa. Lots of experience points to be taken here in the Shakey's V-League. Here's Pons, and that was off the check ball.
Right, going down the line. Ang maganda rito, mukhang clash ng veterano at youngsters.
Ay, mga youngsters, yung hindi na lang youngsters dito, si Giselle C.
Oh, yun ang magandang panoodin dito.
Good serve there for FEU. 7-3. And again, dinaanan naman sa pagka-veterano.
Kapag magkakasabi lang natin ng veterano, what a veteran move coming po kagaling kay Suzanne Roses.
8-3, Smart up by 5.